we live? I'm assuming we are. Yes, we are. Cool. Just mute this. Okay. Is mic okay? I didn't check. Probably is, but never too bad to check, you know? Yeah, mic's working, everything's good. Yeah, we're good to go. Soon. Let's run the ad. Take the time to fill out the mug with water, and then we'll be good to go. Go ads, go! Yeah! Hiya, Fire! welcome. Hope you're doing good. Hello. Heya. Oh man, ads take so long. It's like I don't know what it is, but like it feels like the closer they get to completion, the more time they take to finish. I don't know, like ads just feel weird. Except on breaks, because like breaks I usually just take a bit longer. But like this initial wait is like, it's killer. Absolutely killer. Good. Hi, Huseman. And you weren't first hit, at least not today. Yeah. Twitch is a mess. Quality of stream is always changing. Notifications are never received. Really? Unfortunately, I haven't had a lot of time to watch streams recently, but I didn't. I haven't caught that, the whole quality of stream always changing. I mean, it has happened sometimes, but I don't know. Is it prevalent? I guess it's a prevalent thing. I thought it was me. One problem that I usually have with Twitch is nothing related to stream quality or anything like that. Usually it's like when it's drops, when it's something that is a drop for a game, right? And if both me and the pool boy want to get that drop, we can't do both at the same time. It's nerve-wracking. For example, Path of Exile like had like a stream a few days ago, or like last week. I don't even know when it was, but it was like, watch our stream and for this specific time frame and get like an item in game for Path of Exile 2. And we're like, cool, yeah, let's go get that. We can't do both at the same time. And we were like, oh man, is one of us not gonna get it? Because like the stream's gonna run out and like it won't be in time. Fortunately, we managed to get it, but it's always like this. It's always like a crapshoot. Sometimes it feels like it's progressing and then it halts. Then his starts and mine stops, and then the opposite happens, like his stops and mine goes off. I don't know. It's super weird. I got an extension for Firefox that works so much better than the Twitch notifications. Ah, okay. I don't have any extensions specific for Twitch, but I might just have to look into that. I imagine that it's preventing some sort of drop farming. But why would they worry about that and let bots run rampant? That's the thing, like, imagine if like another person in the household played Path of Exile 2, right? Like, that person wouldn't get the drop. Like, they'd be sore out of luck. I mean, I do get it that it's to prevent botting and stuff, but I was watching a Portuguese girl streaming last night, 7 viewers. Ah, I see. Did she get bot rated? 3 times it happened. Click here for cheap viewers. It happens. Fortunately, they've been less sneaky, and like the auto mod was able to catch it. But it has happened for like a few times. No, this week they were a little quiet for a few weeks. Suddenly they're back like full force. Yesterday it was like 2 or 3 times that it happened. But yeah, they're always catching. I mean, we're gonna have the same conversation we always do, I guess. Like, do people actually fall for that? Do people actually go and buy the viewers? I mean, I'm sure some people do. That's why they do it. But like, it feels so weird. Like, I don't know. All right, let me just post that I'm live on the places. There you go. Yeah. All right, we're good to go. Click here for cheap bits and bytes. Yeah. Hiya, Profits. Welcome. I hope you're doing good today. I asked her that, and she mentioned that it has happened before, but at that time she was playing with another Portuguese streamer who's kind of big. I think it was MoveMind. Oh, I don't know a lot of like big Portuguese streamers, unfortunately. Maybe I should. Maybe I should branch out a little bit more and start looking into that. But I have no idea about most of them. Me neither, but the name sounds familiar. I see. I don't think I've ever heard the name before. Wait a minute. I was looking into MoveMind. Wasn't this the guy that made an ad for Noj some months ago? It looks like him, but it's hard to tell. It kind of looks like it, yeah. I think he did some ads for Noj. Yeah, because it looks like him. Yeah. We are so in sync, yeah. Hi, TV Fox. Welcome. I hope you're doing good today. Hello, everybody. Yeah, that was the first thing that I caught on. Like, I don't know. It looked like him. Yeah, that's him. Okay, good. I'm good? Nice. Glad to hear that, TV Fox. Welcome. Alrighty. I was taking care of a language chatting at my museum project. Ah, okay. Cool. How is that going along? Alrighty. It good? Nice. Glad to hear it. Don't forget to post on the socials. I already did. I already took care of that. And all of the good channels. And I remembered to mute Mastodon. So, go me. I'm amazing. I know. Finally learning. It was that one time, okay? Like, it's not a recurrent thing. It was just that specific time. I'll send you a post. Okay. All right. So, yesterday, we got part of what I wanted working. So today, I'm going to try to do the other part. So basically now, if we move outside of a place, you can still see the buildings of that place, like plastered in here. What is that thing doing in there? What? First of all, how are those 2 buildings attached? That shouldn't even be possible. What the heck? Hold on a minute. What? Girl, what are you doing? What was that? That is like a huge glitch. Give me a second. Yeah, they're over. I know what it is. Okay, I know what it is. Okay, it's fine. No, but I am clearing it, aren't I? I'm supposed to be... clearing that. This building exists outside of space and time. Yeah, kinda. Don't I clear the tile map? What the heck is happening? Hold on a little. I'm probably going to need to like, what do you call it? Simplify the number of buildings. Because like these many buildings are like going to like make it very difficult to parse this. But like here it looks okay. Like the houses and everything. Problem is it's really hard to like keep track of all this. Unless I take like a screenshot. Maybe I should do that. Okay, let me take a screenshot. Here's my sprite. Okay, let's see. If I move over to the next side, to the next cell. How is this looking? Okay, these two look good. They look like to be in the same place. What about the rest of it? These are fine. These three are fine. These two should be the correct ones. No, that couldn't be it, could it? Like, what is this warehouse doing here? What? That warehouse shouldn't be there at all. I think... What is that? Oh, I know what that is! It's this one! It's this settlement right here. Oh man, that is freaky. It's both settlements are like conjoining together. Oh god. Can you look in Discord? Sure. That's a video. See, let's see. Can I open this? Okay, give me a sec. Probably, yeah. Probably need to do this. Whoops. Okay, let's see. Whoop. Ah, shaders. Immediately, I recognized the struggle of shaders. Very nice, very nice. Was this glass here before? I don't remember that. I do remember the piano. I mean, how could I forget? Nice. Looking good. Very nice. Would I miss out any major updates in the past few days? Well, I am working. So basically this week, I'm trying to get buildings, or rather, like when you go into... Previously, combat was like, you do combat and you see the world in more detail, right here, right? What I want to do is like have settlements work on that metric as well. So when you build here, you get to see the world around you as well, right? And like we're having a bunch of bugs, so we're trying to fix that. Oh man. Hi, Simon. Welcome. I updated something, like full FPS camera. Oh, I did notice that, yeah. The controls felt a little different, yeah. And lighting change. Got it, yeah. Bugs, not drugs, exactly. Agreed. Hi, Rice Q. Welcome. But yeah, like that was the problem. Like it's rendering both settlements. Oh man, this is diabolical. Okay, I need to tone down the buildings on settlements now. I have to do it, otherwise it's going to be a pain to get all of this done. Okay, I am going to create a very simple, fast building. And I'm gonna make it like the center of the settlement. So basically it's always going to be at the center so I can position it like better. And I can see what the heck's going on. Cause like, yeah, let's do it. I'm gonna call it town center. I don't think it's ever going to like exist in the world. It's just gonna be something for me to like position myself, but you know. I need it to be exactly centered on the thing. I want it to be exact center. Actually, no, I'm gonna make two things. I'm going to make a town center and I'm gonna make a building of 1 by 1 for the corners. So I can see like the edges of like a specific part of like a settlement, basically. So let's see here. What's the best thing to do here? Where's the carpenter? Yeah, but you're way too large for what I need. Do I have all of this? I think I got all of it. Okay, let's do a copy of this. Let's duplicate this. Center. Right. So open me up the town center if you please. Oh, Toen. Not Toen. Town center. There we go. Actually, let me just look up something. Center. Okay. I always mix those two. So, okay. Town center. Okay, cool. Is that the one that's open? Cool. Close this one. Don't save. We didn't do anything to it anyway. Let's delete all of this. I don't need the 80 or the 60 or the 40 or the 20. I don't care about that one. I just need the 0 and the built one. Okay. So let's do a 4x4 because that's what I want to do. Let's take that off, put that in. Okay. Let's do this a 4x4. So something along the lines of this. Right, yeah. Like that. I really need to like update the brushes of this thing at some point. Okay, this is gonna be 0. Dynamic nothing, roofs nothing. Floor plan, we'll make all of this walkable at the beginning. Sure, why not? I need this, so. Floor plan walkable is I know it's this one, right? These are for the visuals. I really need like some better color coding for this. So no floor plan. All of it is going to be floor plan walkable. And visuals are going to be like all of it. As for the built one, it's going to be pretty much the same. So like, let's do visuals or, oh no, wait a minute. That's not what I wanted to do. Let's do visuals. So it'll be 4x4. Floor plan walkable. I think it's not, none of it's gonna be walkable. I want it all to be like solid. So let's just do that. Where is it? It's right here. Okay. So 4x4. We're gonna make a 4x4 building, basically. None of it is walkable. Roofs. No roofs, I don't think. We'll see. What do we got here? What do we got to work with? Not a lot, do we? Yeah. That's fine. We can do a little castle. I mean, it's just for show anyway. None of this is gonna end up in the final version anyway. So we could just do a castle. Like that. this. Dynamic, let's just do some castle walls, why not? Isn't there like a huge archway that we can use for the castle thing? Yeah, here it is. Let's do a big archway. Like that. The inside barely matters, it's fine. Inside is fine. Do we have the edges? Use this one. Edges like this. Like that. And we'll just do the roofs. We'll do this thing right here. There. It's just a little something to like, you know. Oh, actually, I just realized. It might be a little too confusing. Can we use grid maps also in 3D? I don't know, actually. I think so, but you'd have to check. I unfortunately don't know that off the bat. But it should be usable, I guess. But I don't know for sure, so take it with a grain of salt. Okay. Oh, actually, you know what we could do? That'd be more fun. I shouldn't waste so much time with this, but now I kind of want to do it. Give me a sec. We're gonna do this. No, not here. And here. We still have the roof. Let's do... I kind of just want to do this to see how it actually looks, because that is insane. Okay, roof is just going to be basically this. There, that's it. that's the whole thing. Can I... Oh, there's one. There isn't one. Interesting. There isn't a corner, so to speak. Oh, that sucks. Yeah, we'll just keep it like this so we can, you know, we'll see how this... I'm kind of afraid that this is all going to look like really bad, but yeah, we'll keep this to see how it looks. Also, yeah, we need to update the visuals for this. Where is my visuals thing? Visuals, put this in. Okay, we can do this, and the floor plan walkable can be the rest of it. So we will just do this bit. There. It's gonna look really crazy, but you know, it's just for like, it's a little fun. It's just for a little fun. So it's cool. Anyway, okay, that's the town center. I want to also do like a small thing just to notice like the corners of the things. Hi, Everest Coder, welcome, welcome. So let's just duplicate this one. Yeah, and we're gonna call it statue. It's just a little, like, we're just gonna do a thing to check the corners to help us out with that. Statue. Okay. This is going to be like super simple. It's just one thing. That's it. Just one little tiny speck. Oh, there isn't one. There isn't a single like dirt tile. Are you kidding? There really isn't. Boo. That sucks. Well, I'm not gonna create one now. I'm just gonna, you know, I'm just gonna use this, I guess. I mean, it'll look bad, but at the same time, like, I don't want to waste too much time on this. Okay, let's do the floor plan. Well, it is going to be walkable at the beginning, I guess, and then it's gonna get solid as it gets built, so, you know. Okay, there's that. Yeah, that's fine. And now we do the second one, which is like this. So ground is just going to be this, basically. I mean, it doesn't look that good, but you know. Let's just do one of these statues. We'll just use one. Where are they? Here they are. I don't know, any of these will do. Just this. No roofs. So now floor plan is solid, no walkable stuff, and visuals is just that little corner right there. We need to create these buildings, by the way, which is gonna like suck a little bit, but that's okay. We can do them quite fast. It's fine. Yeah. Okay. All good. So yeah, we need this to be statue and town center. And also, I just noticed that the carpenter is called Forester, so carpenter. Are the rest of them correctly named? No. Farm, fishing hut, builder hut, forester house, hunting lodge, farm temple, stone hut, warehouse. Okay, good. They're all named correctly. Everything is nice and good. Okay. Okay, please save those with the new names. That'd be nice. Statue and town center. So we need to create these two over on our code so we can actually like plop them in the middle of the settlement. Where are my buildings? I think they're here. Yeah. Templates. So we'll need 2 new ones. Which one do I want to like copy? Because like none of these are going to do anything. They're just there for show. Oh, Roman Temple is a good one because Roman Temple is just for show too. So. All right, let's duplicate this. Let's start with a statue, I guess. It's fine. Either one is fine. Okay, so this is statue. This is just a built-in template. Visuals are the default. Right, now I need to get the scene. Scene for the statue is this one. Let's copy the path to this. Right here. And also, yeah, we need this. We need the symbol for this. Resources is going to be basically nothing. Like there are no resources to this. I want to be able to build this freely. For now, like for now, it's fine. I need this. So duplicate one of these. Any of them is fine. Statue. And let's edit this. Which one was it? Was it this one? I don't remember. Anyway, doesn't matter. That's the statue. Need to change it here. Oh, I already did. Okay. No. Time to construct. Let's do like 1 hour. Time to construct is also 1 hour. I don't want it to be like too complex. I just want it to be like a thing that exists. It's fine. Construction. This would be statue, which doesn't exist yet, but we'll get to that. So this would be statue. And let's put the town center first because town center. There we go. Yeah. Statue. Yeah. Oh, right. Statue. We need to implement this one. Yeah. Yeah. Forgot to do that. Yeah. Give me a second, everybody. Alrighty, sorry about that. Let's get back to it. Oh, where statue? Okay, we're doing good. Let's just put town center here. Might as well since we're here. Town center. There we go. Oh yeah, I need to like implement that actually. So center. Right, yeah, it's not used yet, but we'll get to that. Need the other language as well, because you know, we've got 2 languages to take care of. as we do. And it's basically gonna be the same thing for all of them, as it always has been. Test, 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 test. There. Okay, that's good. I think we're finished with this. Yeah, it's got nothing. That's fine. Okay, let's duplicate this. This is gonna be the town center. There we go. There we go. I think that's it. Let's also make it like free to build and like super fast. Like it doesn't really matter. We're not supposed to like be able. This is just like markers that I want to put on the map so it can help me like situate things. So it doesn't really matter either way. These buildings are not gonna make it to the end of it. Hi Anuno, welcome, welcome. welcome. I hope you're doing good. What's the problem with this? Oh right. I need to change the name of this thing. Center. I need to put these on the buildings. What's your problem? Good. Let's add this to buildings. So, town center. Town center. Statue. Oops. Statue. There we go. Okay, good. So, got that. Maybe I should just make them like 0. Like as soon as they go in, they get plopped and they get built instantly. But, you know. That's fine. Just waiting an hour is usually fine. Okay, we got these buildings, but we need to, I want to put them on the building section. I want to put these on the building section, basically. Building job setter, character transfer. Where are the building lists? Building frame. Ah, it's probably here, yeah. Where is it? Building list. Ah, I'm adding them all in. Wait, but I can't build. What? I'm so confused. What? I can't build Roman temples on the settlement, can I? Hiya, Flair. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully everybody's doing good today. Can I build Roman temples out of this? I can't. Hold on a minute. What? Building template directory. QA HUD building list. It is this one. But I thought... What? Hi, QA Geek! Welcome, welcome! My favorite game programmer with a fantabulous laugh. Welcome, Q8. Oh! Where's your donation link? I don't have one yet, I'm so sorry. You promised there would be one. I did. I am taking care of it, I promise. The thing is, like, I need to set up, like, PayPal and stuff. And I haven't done that yet. I'm really sorry. But I will do it. It's just, like, super busy, lots of stuff happening, and I've been preparing a bunch of stuff for a stream next week. So, yeah. But I will get that done eventually, I promise. So I'll probably set it up soon, because the 1 year anniversary is coming up. I could send you her PayPal. No, the big thing is, like, I haven't set up my PayPal completely yet. It's taking some time, and that's why I haven't done anything yet. All right, you know how displacement is the relocation of a vector? Disappointment is the relocation of a point. Pretty much how I feel about not setting up donations. Oh, I'm sorry, QA. But I promise I'll get that done. I promise. Like, I am working on it. It might not look like it, but I am working on it. I've been looking up with, wait, so you have a PayPal? Well, isn't functional? I don't think it is yet, no. Hiya, Chatty, welcome. Rumor has that if you put cash in an envelope in my sorcery store on the outside, it finds its way to it. Maybe. But don't go doing that. Like, but don't worry, QA. Like, you can do that. Like, if you want to donate, if that's the thing that you're keen on, don't worry. You can do that after I set it up. No. Is it carried by a raven? It better be. How am I going to donate without having Jeff Bezos stealing half of it? Like, just don't do it right now. Like, you can just do it later. It's okay. Like, just postpone that, and as soon as I set it up, you can then, like, donate more comfortably. I promise. But don't worry about it. It's totally okay. Yeah, fire is around. But I do appreciate the gesture, QA. Truly, thank you. Yeah. I am in orbit, confirmed. Yeah. Staring at you with chickens. No, but yeah, like, postpone that. Like, if you want to like, donate, like, I do appreciate it. Thank you. But, like, just wait a bit more and I'll get that set up, and then you can donate to your heart's content. Although, don't go donating too much. I don't want to, like, you know, take all of your money or something. Like, don't feel free pressured to donate. That's what I mean. Oh, well. But I do appreciate the gesture, QA. Thank you. I do appreciate it. People wants to throw coins at your face. I know. It's weird, but I do appreciate the gesture. Yes. There's so many blue Git files. Oh yeah. It's a thing. That's right, Jade. You have a plan for the week of anniversary? Yes. I've been planning it for a bit, and yeah. Basically, I am going to do. Oh my gosh. Cute. Thank you so much for the bits. But, like, you really don't need to do that. It's totally okay. I do appreciate it, but you don't have to do that. I'll let Jeff Bezos have this one. Okay. But thank you. I do appreciate it. But it's okay. Like, you don't need to, like, to go and do that. It's okay. I don't have to. I want to. Well, that's okay. But I do appreciate it. Like, thank you so much. But speaking of next week, not exactly next week. It's supposed to be on the 1st of December, but the 1st of December is going to be a Sunday, so unfortunately, it's not going to be like very conducive to that. Jeff needs the money. Oh yeah, like he definitely needs it. But yeah, like the stream is going to be 1 year old on December 1st, which is kind of weird and wacky and totally wild. But yeah, I want to do like next week. We're not going to program anything. I am going to do like, I'm going to play a game per day, and all of the games are going to be the games that have inspired me to do Salve, basically. Like, it's going to be all the games that molded my childhood, so to speak, and made me like RPGs and like, you know, colony sims. So yeah, we're going to do those. Some of them are from my childhood, some are like more recent. But yeah, I'm gonna play the inspirations that I have for like this game specifically. So you mean 365 games? That's a lot of inspiration. No, not 365 games, just 4. I have to nail them down to just 4. It's gonna be like a game per day. During that week, that's the important bit. During that week, it's gonna be, I'm gonna play a game every day, like only 1 game per day. And it's gonna be a chill time. You know, just gonna talk and play a bit. I'm gonna be horrible at it, but that's okay, because we're just gonna chill and talk for a bit, and you can ask me stuff, ask me anything. You know, we can just like vibe it off. It's gonna be cool. It's gonna be fun. And best part of it is I can like nerd out about all of these games and why they're so important, and what I want, like what made them so cool to me that I want, that they became an inspiration for like the game. Video games. Yeah, video games. You haven't decided all the games yet? I mean, I know at least 3, because those 3 are like very core. The problem is there are a lot of games that have inspired Salve, but like showcasing them in 5-ish hours of stream is not very easy. Like, because they're like very story heavy, or they're like very hard to get into, and you only get the vibe of it like after a few hours, right? A lot of heavy RPGs in there. But yeah, like there are 3 that I'm probably gonna play like no holds barred. The 4th one, I'm finding it hard to like pick from like my list. But I do have like, I have a small contingent of ones that we're gonna do. We'll see. But yeah, I have decided on the games. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be so much fun. And I can nerd out about all those games because I love them all to death. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. My Little Pony 1, 2, 3, and 4. I mean, you don't know. Maybe it is. You'll have to tune in and find out. Did you know that sci-fi writers submit their work using the font science fiction? Amazing. Every time QA Geek gets in chat like becomes like a marvel. I love it. Hiya, back to game. Welcome. Oh, and CCPRN. Welcome. Oh, hey. Hello. 3 is where the franchise took a tumble. Oh yeah. It wasn't very good after that. Oh man. But yeah, some of the games I've talked about here, sometimes it's not going to be Mass Effect though. It's like, as much as I do like Mass Effect is not a huge inspiration for this game specifically. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. I may do a small poster during the weekend that I'll then show off on like Discord and like all my socials of like, here are the games that I'm gonna play this week. So you can tune in to like a specific game if you're so inclined, I guess. It's most of them are going to be like very old games though. Let me check my list, and I do have a list right here of like, yeah, like I'm thinking like the 4th one is going to be a specific game, right? I don't know if it's going to be this one. This one is still up in the air. But the other two came out before 1995. I think they're actually from the 1990s. One of them is like kind of recent, but yeah, most of them are like pretty old. So I don't even know, like I'm kind of scared actually, because like some of these games have like very bad resolution switching and stuff. I hope like the stream doesn't crap itself like trying to like render these things, because like sometimes you get cutscenes and like the cutscenes are like in like very small they're very, very small renders, so like the resolution just collapses on itself. I don't know. It's a thing, but we'll see. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a fun time. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna like chill. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be great. And hopefully, I get to fix my donations by that time. I'd like to do that because you know it feels like appropriate. Like 1 year anniversary, you're gonna get all that stuff done by that. Because I wanted to do like a few elements for the stream as well. I think that's what I'm gonna try to do this weekend. I'm not gonna like program the game at all. I'm going to try and make like bits, small bits and stuff for like the stream. Like I'd like to do a few like art to put over like I did on Halloween. I wanted to do some back cards for like when I'm not here and when the stream is starting, when the stream is ending, you know, all those things. But yeah, hopefully I managed to like do most of what I want to do. Hopefully I set up Ko-fi by then. Fingers crossed. At least Ko-fi. I don't know if I want to set up anything else, but yeah, at least something like Ko-fi or something. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be nice. Hopefully I get to do all of that. It's gonna be nice. You know, I generally have a problem choosing a font for GUI. No font that I'm fond of. Yeah, like some of them are cool, some of them are bad. Some of them are bad. I don't know. It depends on what you're doing too. But yeah, having fonts that you're fond of, like yeah, it's a problem. It's a problem. They killed the main characters to make glue. Oh god. Bronies around the world felt this one. Oh man. Who doesn't miss games that change the screen resolution for a cutscene? Oh yeah, it was a thing. And like I get to feel that, and then like all my desktop icons just like become a jumbled mess. It's like a beaut. What a beaut. This makes me feel violent. What do you call the fonts police? Sans sheriff? Exactly. Howdy, citizen. Or should I say, howdy, fontizen? Oh man. But yeah, next week is gonna be fun. At least I hope it is. I've been like planning it for a while. Like at least, you know, trying to filter all the games that I want to play and stuff like that. I wish that there were games that I could play, because like I do have a lot of inspirations for a Salve that are like heavy RPGs that don't like just 1 5-hour stream is not going to be enough to showcase what I find good about them and what makes them like a huge inspiration, right? I'm trying to like keep it to games that I can showcase right from the get-go. Like, yeah, this is why this is an inspiration. This is like what this is what I found interesting about that one, and that's what I want to incorporate in the game. But yeah, it's gonna be cool. Hopefully. Do you think art degrees in Germany are easy to get? Do you think they fear kicking students out of art school so they don't start having wars? Oh. So bad. What do you mean? So bad? No, not at all. I was trying to find the pun on it. That's a thin line. Oh man, I'm trying to find it. It's hard. This one's hard. But I'm trying. I'm trying real hard. Ah, okay. Got it. Oh! Okay, I got it this time. I got it now. I got it now. Yeah. In another life, he was an art student originally. Yeah. That's. It came to me afterwards. It just sank in. Yeah. Yeah. Eventually I got there. But thank you for the tips. Yeah, it could have been a different world, you know. That's the sad part of it all. See how we danced around his name? Such elegance. I know. Like, such poise. Such grace. Oh my god. I don't know why I do these things. These are just fodder for like clips. I know that and I do it anyway. It was an elegant dance, yeah. Not gonna clip it? Okay, good. I mean, it's fine if you want to clip it. It's totally okay. It's fine. Okay, let me see here. I want to figure out, why is it listing these buildings and not the other ones? Because this is like supposed to be the building list that we get, and it's supposed to like put everything in, but it's got everything in here. So like, do you have like, is it part of the culture? Is that what's happening here? That shouldn't. What? Did I tell you about my drag queen dream? I don't think you've done that. No. I don't think we've talked about that particular aspect. Right. Okay. Right. Yeah. What's the issue then? Wait a minute. I'm so confused. How do I? Because this is the building list that I feed so that you can generate the icons. If I'm going through every building in the template directory, how is the Roman temple not listed in there? Am I crazy? What? Wait, where is this? I hate you so much. Okay, I need to comment that then. I need to comment you. I didn't even know what you're doing here then. But okay, cool. Okay, let's add the two buildings that we just created. So the town center and the statue right here. A few days ago, I had a fun dream. There was this beautiful and colorful and pretty drag queen who was very athletic and fit and all, but had a butt of 3 meters in radius. Dang! The reason he was called a drag queen is that he was Usain Bolt fast, and his butt generates so much drag force people line up to run behind him to get to their destinations faster. God damn. Oh man, that gives a whole new meaning to those jokes like your mama's so fat, right? Oh man. Because like there is one like that, like your mama's so fat creates she has her own gravitational pull. It kind of has those vibes. I'm gonna need some time to digest this. Oh man. That was quite a dream, I have to say. That was quite the experience. Oh man. Okay. Well, yeah, the buildings are going to be all over the place, but I told my friend this dream. Long story short, we're making a drag racing prototype for funs and giggles. Oh, that's awesome! That's pretty cool. You gotta include that character in. Please. Please. You have to do it. Okay. Yeah. Let's change... Usain Bolt. There is such an event though, a drag race. I think I've seen that somewhere. I believe I've seen that somewhere, yes. Okay, let's do... I don't want to do any of this actually. Okay. I want to... Right. I want to change this. Also, this is no longer needed here. We can get rid of that. Well, I mean, it's useful for some stuff, so we'll keep it there. I do want to change this though. Let's, right. Let's call this number 2. And we're gonna keep this. This is the one we want. Culture ID is Lusitanian, that's fine. What we do want to do, right. Town center. Now, town center, template. Town center. Now, instead of placing building random, we are just going to place the building. All right. None of this. We're just going to place the building. The position should be six, 10, I think. Six, 10, 0, of course. 6, 10, 0. Right. Starting hours. What does that mean, starting hours? State progress. Ah, right. The starting hours is always going to be 0 because we're already setting it to be built, I think. Yeah, we're already setting it to be built. Okay, that's fine. Got it. Usain Bolt for better aerodynamic. Yeah. A drag race where all participants are in dragon heels. Ah, I see. But I think you say italic is faster. Do you think you can speak italic? Oh man. I gotta go have fun. Everyone stay safe, y'all. Thank you so much, QA. Thank you so much. And hopefully we'll see you next time. Have a great rest of your day. And thank you so much for everything. Okay. Let's see here. Yeah, I want to place the town center and 4 statues. Statues at the corners, basically. That's gonna be our best bet for this. Oh, as we're gonna start. Dang. Statue, template, statue. Now, we want to place 4 statues, 1 in each corner. So one will be at 0, 0. One is going to be at 15, 0. 15, 15, and then 0, 15. That's it. We set the culture, we set the thing. Yeah, I think that's it. We're gonna keep Romans. I think we're just gonna do the same thing for Romans, actually. Not exactly ideal because it doesn't, it's not a thing. Or maybe in Romans, we'll add more statues just to like differentiate between them. Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna do this and then we'll, yeah. This is gonna become 2. No, 2. And we're gonna do this instead. There. We're gonna do the town center and we're gonna build a few more statues down here just to differentiate between, both of them. We're gonna do one at 7 and one at 8 at 0, 0. And then, yeah, that's the Roman settlements are gonna have more statues. That's basically all that there's to it. Okay, let's see how this looks in game. The ads, I know. The ads are a menace. Okay, cool. Okay, got the limits down, which is cool. Yeah, we'll just let the ads play. I'm gonna take a quick break to like stretch and do the other stuff I need to do around the house. And yeah, I'll be back in a little bit. I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Hey everybody, we back. We so back. Hello, hello. Okay, let me just get this done. Okay, we're back. We're back in it. I'm gonna do the thing. Hey, Liz Tiaras. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're doing good. Hello, hello. Oh, and thank you, Grumpy Gunplum. Thank you. Thanks so much for the follow. Sorry, I wasn't here when you did that, but thank you. Thank you so much. Hi, Liz Tiaras. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're doing good today. Let's just fill this up with water because I'm drinking water like there's no tomorrow. Okay, there we go. Doing good? Fix hundreds of AI bugs right now? Hell yeah, that's what we want to hear. Water is good? Yes, water is nice. I do quite like the water. Water is pretty nice. But that's good. I'm glad you're fixing all that stuff. Oh, oh no, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side. Wait, but this is a 4x4. What are you talking about? What, am I going crazy? Is this thing correct? Okay, so this is 16 by 16. Okay, that's fine. That's good. You're a bit too on the top, aren't you? So, yeah, you're one too far to the top. Right, because of the whole Y thing. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. That's cool. That's fine. I forgot about that. I'm sorry. What you're doing right now? Basically, like right now, the game already like features, when you zoom in on a specific cell, it generates the same content every time. Basically, for example, if I do combat here, right, you get the same map every time. Like this. What I want to do is like, I want to include the settlement in that. So like if you do a battle next to a settlement, you should see the settlement on the side, right? But the thing is like, some of it is like going a bit haywire. And yeah, I'm working on that basically. That's what I'm working on. It's like the detailed view of the world, basically. But yeah, that's what I'm working on right now. There's some nasty bugs and I'm trying to catch them. Basically, that's it. That's all there is to it. Oh, Eerie, welcome, welcome. Happy Gobble Gobble Day if you celebrate. Ah, I see, it's a Happy Gobble Gobble Day. Oh, okay, okay, okay. But yeah, Happy Gobble Gobble Day if you celebrate. Yeah, absolutely. Welcome, welcome. Thanksgiving here in US. Got it, I got it. Yeah, I got that. But yeah. Oh, I didn't. Okay. Fair. That's fair. That was on me. Yeah, I did the statue, but I didn't do like the town center. Yeah. Town center. Okay. What are we gonna do the town center with? I don't know, actually. What are we gonna do the town center with? Yeah, that'll do. That seems good enough. It's like a little column thingy. Okay, let's see if that's the only problem. Hopefully it is. Hopefully that's it. Okay, seems to be good now. If I visit, everything's fine. New buildings show up here. We can... Oh, this looks trippy. I probably need to fix that, yeah. Yeah, some of this stuff is looking rather trippy. That's okay. Now, these are the limits of the thing. The problem is, I want to see what happens when two, like, settlements are very close to each other, that you can actually see them. Let's go over here. Wait a minute. Where do these roads lead to? Settlements are just gone. What? Where did all the settlements go? That's not good. Let's see. Got a settlement right here. Yeah, and another one should be right here. There we go. Okay. Both of these are Lusitanian, so that's kind of iffy, but yeah. But at least, yeah, at least it's doing its thing. Cool. But this thing is kind of wacky. Like, where are all the settlements? Do they actually exist? What? They're getting what the heck is happening with this thing? Yeah, they're all like... That's very weird. This is probably another one too. What happened to this thing? Where are the settlements just like disappearing out of the blue? It's gotta be... Oh, there. It's that? What's this? And funnily enough, none of them are Roman. Okay, I figured it out. Okay. It might not be that, but I do need to fix that. Where are you? Yeah, I don't set the culture for this thing. That's why it's not showing up anything. Forgot to paste this in. So, cool. That's cool. So if it's close to two settlements, it will add them to both the combat map. They will always be in the same place relative to each other. Yes, that's the idea. Anyway, yes. I was just testing that out. I need to find a map. What did I do? What? I didn't run it through. Okay. That's the idea. Yes. That's what I'm actually trying to test right now. But I did like a huge mistake and yeah, I need to... Okay, there we go. Oh man. Yikes. Should probably have like a null thing that I could... But for example, if I go here, there are two settlements right next to each other, and you should be able to see like both of them like coexisting, basically. Even if I go here, this might be more interesting because these are like two different ones. There's one right here, and there should be a Roman settlement down here with more statues. There we go. Yeah, this is the Roman one. Yeah. Okay, so that's kind of working. That is kind of working. So that's cool. Let's see. Hold on. 1, 2. Are these in the middle now? Because I just moved it over, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now it's centered, I think. 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now it's totally centered on everything. Nice, good, that's awesome. Okay, let's see something. If I go here, for example, that settlement should be up here. Which it is, okay. So it's right there, that's fine. If I go here, I think I'll still be able to see this one. So the Roman one should be right below me, which it is. And that one's over there in the corner, right there. Okay, good. Like I won't be able to like go freely so far beyond. Like I'm just generating a few tiles around just so you can like have something to see around you, basically. Like you can see the world around you. But yeah, this is a good start. Yeah, you can actually get everything drawn in, which is cool. Let's see how this one looks. Kind of interested to see how this one in particular. So these are two like connected ones. Yeah, there are two town centers right here. We're battling on this one. Like if I move over here, we'll only be able to see one, I think. Yeah, because the map cuts off. If I go here, I should be able to see them both, but they'll be far away. So like they'll be here over in the corner. Yeah. If I go to the left side, same thing should happen. They should be here. Nice, 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 nice. Okay. Got that. That's cool. Last thing we need to check, I think, is our own settlement. That's the thing. That's gonna look a little off, but yeah. We'll see. Okay, we're back. Let's see. Accept everyone, it's fine. Okay, so here's our settlement. You can actually... Wait, what? Where are you not? What? Why are you not showing up? So it allows me to build here, but not up here? What? Interesting. I can't actually build anywhere. Yeah, I need to fix this. I guess it's because of the trees. Maybe. There might be something to this that I'm not, like, that I'm overlooking. But yeah, this is the next thing I need to fix, basically. I need to, like, have buildings be able to be built again. And at the beginning, we should only be able to build on this 16 by 16. Or if you build outside of it, like here, then the size of it is going to expand, basically. I don't get though. Why are you... It allows me to build statues up here. Not here though. Not sure why. Can I build here? What if I... It's not changing anything. Why not? Yeah, I'm gonna have to like check on that. Okay. Let's fix building then. Because like building is not working correctly at all. I need a builder. Dang it, I need a builder. Ah, this is it, okay. It's got a size, but it's not a size anymore. It's not even that. It's like, yeah. Okay. Instead of size, let's do 15. This is like really hard coded for now. I want to like improve this later, but we'll keep that in for now. I want it to be built right out of the bat. Yes, yes. Okay. So let's just do, oh, is it? Oh, it's the same thing. God dang it. 15. Actually copy that, undo what you just did. Paste it here. Make it a 2. Let's add a builder to it. So statues and then a builder. Which I can like reattach from this thing, basically. Okay, we're gonna get the builder hut. And then we place building random with the second option. There. And now, like, everything should get a builder. Everyone should get a builder hut so that we can actually build stuff and see stuff, like, progressing. Okay, here's our builder hut. It's got a character that is a builder. Population is, like, every one of them. Wait, every one of them is builders? What? Why? What? Y'all are supposed to be, like, idle. Except for one person, which should be the builder. I am so confused. What the heck? Okay, so the statue is built on this thing. But the ground isn't getting changed. What is happening here? Give me a second. Is there anything here that is like overlapping? If I take off the ground, what happens? That's not good. What? Okay. That's really freaky. Wait a minute. I took off the ground. Why is that still showing? Where is that? Where is that coming from? Oh god. Ah, it's this thing. Okay. I don't know what is happening here, but I need to fix this. Like, I'm doing way too many. Like, what are all these things doing in here? Oh, I think I know exactly what's happening. Okay. That's one of the things I need to get fixed. I have posted new things on Discord. New versions are able to runtime editing like in Unity. Ah, that's cool. Let me see, let me see. Ooh. Moody lighting though. Let me just open these. I love this moody lighting. It's very soothing. It's very nice. Let's see. Here's a piano with moody lighting. Look at that. What a beaut. Yeah, it looks way more moody with this. It completely changes like the way to look at it. It's looking good. Yeah, lighting is looking pretty great. Looking pretty good. Keep at it. You got this. Feels like a bit like a horror game. It could, yeah. That was one of my thoughts too. Like it could be a horror game if you like tweaked it a little bit. That could be a thing. Have you thought about that? Maybe you should. I'm just kidding. Okay, so there's a lot of problems with this. Not least of all is this thing is happening. Yeah, this is not good. Like none of this is good. None of this is like, yeah. Why is the statue here? Because it's like being implanted here and it shouldn't be. Yeah, none of this is okay. I gotta fix that. So let's start with that. I think, hold on a minute. Let me go over to, I think it's this. Yeah, it's this thing. Is this public? It is, okay. I need, because there's this tile map, which is no longer going, wait a minute. Oh, hold on a second. Hold on. Okay. Stop that. Where's that? Where's the visitable thing? Yeah, you need, you can't be here anymore. You all need to get out of here, like immediately. Okay. My PC is vibrating again. I needed to get the technique again. Vibrating. Cooler fan might be on its way out. Might be, yeah. Watch out for that. Okay, so here's the tile map, quote unquote. This is like a terrible name. This is not the tile map at all. But, there's the world instance, that's fine. We do it with the tile map. Actually, let's rename this. I hate this name. Visitable node. There we go. Now, where is this used? Because I'm pretty sure this gets used in other places. Yeah, like this, exactly, okay. Got it. Okay. No. That's the thing. That's not this anymore. This needs to be the instance, world instance instead. Do I have access to like... Sure. Just draw it where it's supposed to go. Right. So anything that we do with this, we can't. We can't do that. Yeah. Let's make this, first of all, no longer that. We need to do this differently. I wonder how this was even working. Oh God. That is terrifying. Oh man. Okay. Move to the last sibling position. First of all, we're gonna make this visible. So get this in. We make it visible. We move it to the last sibling position. That's fine. We can do that right here. That's totally fine. I couldn't understand. So your laptop should have a fan for cooling purposes. If your laptop is vibrating, there are only a few moving components. My guess would be that this fan might be broken or at least spinning but unbalanced, which could point at somewhere of the fan. Yeah, that might be it. Yeah, that's probably the most plausible explanation of it. Last time Technic checked it and there was nothing broken. Might be maybe it's lopsided. Sometimes fans can get a little lopsided. If they're not screwed in correctly, they might be a little lopsided. At least it seems like that. Okay. Well, at least that. If it's something lopsided, then it should be easy to fix, hopefully. Okay, that's where else are you gonna... Yeah, this is it sets visible to false, that's fine. Right. Okay, yeah. World instance. World tile map. So all this is going to be on world tile map instead. Also, the draw extras is also on the new thing. Yes. Like that. Draw extras and here as well. Okay. So hopefully now this object is not used for much. Right, that's fine. Okay, okay, should be good. Don't get why it's doing that twice, but we'll see. It might not be broken, but even a little wear on the shaft could translate into vibration. Yeah, because it's not rotating in a neat axis, basically. You mean some parts screwed loosely? Maybe. It could be that. It could be the fan is a little lopsided. It depends. Avanova. Or if the guy took the laptop apart, he might have not reinstalled the fan correctly and something came loose. There's that too, yeah. What do you peeps have? I think I have an Asus? Asus? I never know how to say it. Two Lenovo's, one MSI, one desktop. I have this desktop and I have an Asus. Let's check Bittabaro. Got it. Yeah. No, Asus. Yeah. Asus? I never know. Didn't they have a whole thing? A whole commercial where people were like, oh, it's like this or like this, the name that was supposed to be the pronunciation of it. That was kind of funny. Oh man, sounds dirty. Oh yeah, definitely. No matter how you put it, yeah, it does sound like that. Okay. So this thing is still not working correctly. That kind of sucks, but okay. This thing is still happening for some reason. I don't get it. Well, but at least it gets built correctly. Okay, let's just see something. There's still this thing. What the heck is this? And why is this here? Am I creating two of these? Is that what's happening here? Oh, wait a minute. Oh man, this really sucks. Okay. Because like, this might be for two different things, but that's okay. We'll fix that later. That's not a thing that I want to focus on right now. But yeah, at least it's building stuff correctly. No, it's building in the correct, like the tile map. It just doesn't let me build anything else, which kind of sucks. But okay, let's see what the problem is with that. Let's see why that is happening. I'm guessing it's the trees, but then again, like, I'm also able to like build here. He doesn't seem to mind. Have you heard Excalibur, the laptop ones? Never heard of them? Yeah, I haven't heard about them either. They're Turkish-made laptops. Ah, I see. Of course, most of the parts are imported, but Turkish design. Got it. They were good laptops. Ah, I see. That's pretty cool. Like, if I leave, if I go here... Oh, there's a settlement right next to us. That's cool. So we can actually test to see... Yeah, here are the things we built. The buildings and everything. And here's the other one. Okay. Cool. Okay, that's nifty. All right, I have to find out why it's not letting me build. That's the problem right now. What is this? Building a thing. Okay. As the mouse moves, where does this come from? Where is this coming from? What? Am I crazy? Where did you get that? Ah, can build a building. Why is this returning false? That's what I want to figure out. Let's see here. We don't have resources. That's why we can't build anything. Okay, do we have space for a warehouse actually? Can we get a warehouse? I mean, we can get a warehouse here somewhere. Yeah, I do need to get a warehouse in this thing. This is terrible. I need to change this. Oh man. And there aren't no more. Ah, I see. Also have Monster known as Toolpod in Germany. They have good service in Turkey, of course, because they're Turkish. I see. Gotcha. To the jungle. Welcome. Quick question. Fire away. You must construct additional pylons. Yes, we need those additional pylons. Otherwise, this thing is just not gonna work. Sad reality of it all. Where's my warehouse? Here we are. Yeah, okay. Let's put, we don't want two warehouses, we just want one. So we're just gonna place a warehouse like that. Yeah. And we're gonna put it inside the 16 by 16 area. Hopefully that's good enough. Hopefully that's it. Oh man. Okay. There's our warehouse. Hey, look at that. That's cute. Okay. There's also this. Like, I need to figure out why is everybody defaulting to builder though? Mr. Pool Boy, we meet again. Yeah. He's on with that. Okay. I need to figure out why everybody's being set to builder. That is kind of freaky. And why are there two carriers? I don't know. But anyway. Okay, now that we got this, we should be able to build stuff. Okay, so it kind of works. It doesn't it's not perfect. Like it should, yeah. Oh, that was very fast. What? That was like instantaneous. Oh, I'm out of wood. And I didn't build a woodcutter. Fantastic. I'm a genius. What's the advantage of using C# and Godot? I mean, I don't like an advantage per se. I suppose like C# is a bit more performant than GDScript, but I guess that's about it, really. I don't plan to switch to Windows 11. I am not switching to Windows 11 like in the foreseeable future. Yeah, I don't see myself going to Windows 11 either. Plan to switch to Linux instead. I wish I could. Like the problem is like some of the tools and some of the stuff, some of the games that I like to play are on Windows. Like I don't know how that's gonna happen. Like I don't know what I'm gonna do. Like it's gonna be a wild ride, that one. We'll see. We'll see. I already like am, for example, my laptop, I already installed like Linux on it. I haven't like done a lot of extensive like use of it. Like I do need to use a bit more, but you know, so far so good. Like it had a few problems at the beginning, but now it's kind of working really well. So I don't know, I might just take the plunge, who knows? Most programmers I know who need to use GDScript usually complain about it being a kind of weird language. I've seen a lot of people talking like they really like GDScript, and like I'm all for like Godot giving them the option, right? Like I mean, I'm totally okay with that, but I do prefer C# by quite a mile. Yeah. Oh, and thank you so much for the follow to the jungle. Welcome. Okay, I need to place a forester this time. Yeah, the buildings are not being rendered correctly, but that just might be a case of this. It might just be this. Can I... If I increase the Z index of this thing, then it works. Yeah, it's the Z index is kind of wacky. The Z index of this thing. Yeah, it makes it all like weird. That's okay. We'll fix it. Yeah. It also supports C++ if you can send build with it. We'll need to compile DLL every single time. Ah, I see. Yeah, there's also that. Like I believe C++ is through GD extension. I believe. I haven't like done any of that. Like I haven't like tried anything with GD extension. I do believe they had plans. Godot did have plans to like transition C# to also use the GD extension thing. But I don't know. Like I think that conversation is like still ongoing. I think. At least I haven't seen any plans of like them trying to like do that in the foreseeable future. Damn. There you go. How are all these people working at the same building? That is impossible. What? I mean, over here, you can get 2 carriers to work at this warehouse, but they're not set up here anyway. So I don't know what's up with that. What the heck? I don't know. Don't even get me started. There. Don't know what's up with that one. Performance is not that important at this level. Just use what you're comfortable with. Yeah, there's that, and like there is, I believe, a vastly big difference between GDScript and C#, which is like I don't think GDScript has interfaces yet. So making stuff like dependency injection things gets a little more complicated on GDScript, I believe. But besides that, yeah, they pretty much function. Like both are good. So, but I do prefer C#, like quite a mile. Yeah. Okay. Now, can we build outside? We can. Okay. If we build outside, so now that this is working, here's what we're gonna do. If we build outside of like the starting 16 by 16 square, I want to expand the settlement on the map to look like, you know, it's actually occupying 2 spaces now because this building is already here, right? But first of all, okay, before we do that, I want to know what is up with all these people getting whack jobs. Do these buildings work here? They seem like they do. Oh, so they do. Okay, fantastic. So everything is still working. Everything's still good. Cool. Cool. That's cool. That's awesome. Okay. Actually, I'm curious about something. Let's attack someone. I want to check on something real quick. That's friendly. Okay, let's attack these guys. I want to see, well, yeah, the layering has always been crap, but that's okay. I want to see how that looks. How can we maneuver around this? So yeah, they can maneuver, but they can't go on that specific one. Okay. Okay. So everything is working as it should. Everything is working correctly. Okay, we're good. Let's see what's up with those workers then, shall we? What is up with you? It's the decorator. No, not even. Not even that. Because I am creating the base. Or the settlement or whatever. I am creating it. Right here. Based on the culture. Culture data, settlement architect, bloody blah. There is the character creator that, you know, that's probably what we're doing with it. Right, so what is happening with this thing? That's what I want to figure out. Create characters. This is the world manager. Create a party. Join offers. Populate and assign to buildings. Okay, so this is it. Where are we calling this, actually? Populate world. Okay, so that's it. Yeah. We do that on our player settlement, and then for every other settlement that exists. Okay, so this is it. Populate world. Now, I'm creating people and assigning them to buildings. What am I doing wrong here? If I can't find the culture data, I bail out. Then I populate the settlement, which is like giving it people. Right, exactly. So if I go here, this is on the character creator. Got it. Where is the Lusitanian character creator? The character creator Lusitanian. Here we go. Populate settlement. We create 5 characters on it. That's cool. That's fine. That's exactly what we need. Cool. Now, for each building instance, if it's a work building, we get to the best unemployed person for the job. If we can't get it, we move forward. We remove from the settlement work building if they were working on something. And then we add it to the building itself. That's fine. But something is off for sure. Have you tried turning it off and back on again? I wish that would solve it. It would be very nice. Unfortunately, I don't think that's gonna happen. We're adding the character in. If the character's in a house, then we assign it to the house. But we don't have houses anyway, so that's not important. This is the part that matters, basically. For each job availability entry, we try to get the activity that we need, and we try to get the best unemployed person for that activity specifically. Wait a minute. Are you kidding me right now? How did I never catch this? You have got to be joking. Wow. Okay. What the heck am I doing? I don't reference that anywhere else, do I? Please, for the love of everything, tell me it ain't so. Okay. How did that never become a problem? I guess it's because I assigned them all at the beginning. Like, because there were so many jobs, they were all assigned at the start, and so it never became a problem. Like, it never tried to do anything like that. Man, that is some wild stuff. Okay, it's fixed now. Okay, at least that mystery is over. Oh, this is bad. Oh, this is really bad. Oh, crap. Yeah, I might need to do this slightly differently. Yeah. I guess what I'm going to do is, like, I'm not gonna place buildings as part of the tile map. I'll just plop them as objects Because like then this is going to be a huge problem. Yeah, this thing is like terrible. It's like it's overlapping because like it's occupying the same space basically, and it'll happen like pretty much everywhere. If I do this, same thing's gonna happen. I think. Yeah, same exact thing is gonna happen. I might need to change the way buildings get, well, assigned to this basically. Which kind of sucks, but I was doing this mostly for performance reasons. Like if I only had one tile map to include everything in, then, you know, that wouldn't be a problem anymore. But yeah, that's not gonna go all that well with this. Like some of this overlapping is gonna happen, which is kind of crappy. But okay, at least we got people to work with now. So that's nice. Oh, ads are starting again. What? It's been an hour? Are you kidding me? Okay, we fixed most of the problems now, which is good. So that means that we can actually start working on the cool stuff. Oh, that's not good. I think I know what's happening. This isn't being turned off. Oh no, that's terrible. No, please. Okay, I need to fix that too. Can I fix that before we leave? Let's find out. Are you not turning that off? Wait a minute. That? Oh, I'm not. I'm actually not. Hold on. Yeah. I don't even set the visitable to false either. Yeah, I'm never putting this back to false, actually. Am I? Where is this happening? Oh, it's right there. Okay, it's this, but I also need to turn off the, what was the name of it? Crap. Instance. World instance. World tile map. Visible. False. I don't need to set it back to true. On the other one too. So here. Up here. Oh, wait, hold on. This might be the wrong place to do this. It has to be on location, not here. Okay, but ads have already started, so give me just a few minutes, everybody. I'll do a quick break, and then I'll come back, and we're gonna fix all of this. So, yeah. Just undo all of this thing. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'll be right back. See you in a few minutes. Hey everybody! I'm back again. Hi Alake, welcome. Oh, this username not exist. Welcome. Her most serene and illustrious majesty, Aurelia, sovereign of the Code King, enchantress of digital creations, grandmaster architect of interactive fantasies, and benevolent ruler of the Godot realm, guardian of innovation, and patroness of the creative arts. That is a lot of titles. Gosh darn. But thank you. I do appreciate that illustrious entrance. So welcome everybody. Hello. I need to fix that error. I think it's on the state location. Where did that go? Did I close it or something? Oh no, it's right there. Okay. God, it's just so many files. Pog. A fishy pog. You. Yes, but also true. I need to make it false right here. I think that was the problem. I guess that's why it happened. Yes. Okay, good. In Star Citizen news, remember when last week the free fly event was going horribly and full of bugs and they still put up a ship for sale for almost $900? Yes. What happened? Oh God, every time the conversation starts with that, I get fearful what might come next. Star Citizen has now surpassed $750 million in funding. From the 700 in May. Whew. Oh boy. Don't you love it? I sure do. It's great. It's fantastic. Yikes. Oh. Anyway. But yeah, that is wild to me. How is that even possible? I don't know. Is that a person spinning a sausage between their fingers? Or like a bacon strip? Kind of could be both. FOMO, it can only be FOMO. I guess that's the only explanation for it. Because like you see so much money poured into it. I guess in a twisted kind of sense, you'd think like, yeah, I gotta get in on this. But man, the game is genuinely worse. Why though? Why do people do that? You can't play? What, because of like the performance issues? Fear of mewing out? That might be that too, yeah. Absolutely. Performance and game-breaking bugs? I don't get it. I'm sorry, I don't get it. I'm largely convinced it's a money laundering scheme. I mean, at a certain point, you gotta start questioning, right? Like, what? Like, I don't know. Elevator's not working, ships not being allowed to take off. Dang. Star Citizen is a game? Well, in the broadest sense of the word, I guess it is. Yes. Like there's a whole like hubbub about it, which is what we're talking about. Like it's basically like a game that has not seen the light of day in any sort of like meaningful capacity, and yet people still pour money into it. And it's just surpassed 750 million in funding. So, you know. Woo! I love it. It's a bunch of concepts tied together that form a somewhat shape of a game. Yeah, I guess that's a good description of it. But man, that is some wild stuff. It is genuinely wild to me. Okay. Got a thing right here, which is nice. There is a problem with this though. The warehouse is not inside of this shape. I mean, because it's the left corner is the one that dictates where it can be placed, right? But this is not inside of it. Like it technically is inside of like the 16 by 16, but it should account for like the whole size of it, not just the corner, which I need to fix that. Even the streamers that I follow that played, even they couldn't play. And even still people went out and said, yes, this needs more of my money. That is so wild. I don't think I'll ever understand that, to be honest. That is wild to me. Basically, if a big banner supported by investors put up enough marketing, they can sell anything. But that's the thing. Like, I don't think that this is like, because like their marketing push, I don't see a lot being talked about Star Citizen by itself. Right? Like, I see a lot of people talking about how undercooked it is, but I don't see a lot of people talking the hype around Starfield. I'm not a fan of victim blaming, but at this stage, this is the player's fault, and some Stockholm Syndrome going on. It might be, because like, but at some point you gotta question, because like we're talking about the metric that is on their website, right? Like the game has reached X amount of funding. How legit is that? Is it just going up so that people see, oh, a lot of money is being poured in, so they pour money into it? But the money isn't all there. It's just like a speculative tactic. I don't know. Like it seems very weird that it has amassed this amount of money, like being that undercooked. I've said it before, when it works, Star Citizen unmatched, but it hasn't worked for quite some time. Yeah, I guess, yeah. Hiya, Prosto! Welcome back, welcome! Raccoons! Yeah. The game has potential. There's some very compelling aspects to it. I mean, people are pouring money into it for some reason, right? Like, it can't all be bad, but I don't know. Are there any raccoons in this forest? I mean, not yet, but they could be. I don't know, at some point. I don't know. I will admit to having played it. I even had fun while doing so. I mean, that's totally okay. Like, I'm not here to judge anyone who wants to, like, play it or anything. I just find it, like, weird that they've amassed so much money at this point, you know? I have the basic starter package and it was fun at times, but it's even unplayable for at least a year. Oof. That is so crazy. Hiya, Prosto. Welcome. No raccoons yet. How much are you willing to spend? I have this starter package for you to introduce raccoons into the game. No, don't do that. I can't even do that for a bit. Like, it feels too scummy. Oh, man. Raccoon package at $20? Oh, man. our elevators work. I mean, we're not gonna have elevators here, but yeah, I mean, technically, I guess you could say that. Elite raccoon at $30. Oh man. Okay. Yeah, this all is working correctly, so that's fine. That's cool. That's nice. So here is what we're going to do then. If they would exist, they would work for sure. Oh yeah, absolutely. Like, take it from me. Like, guaranteed, 100%. Combo pack, $45. Oh, man. I believe most of the language I've seen from within the community is the developers are mostly focused on Squadron 42, which is intended as the standalone campaign for the game. But has anyone heard from that game specifically? Like, have they showcased any work on it? Because, like, I can see that being a tactic, right? Like, you work on a campaign to, like, hype the game up. But have they actually showcased anything from that specific game either as well? I'm a raccoon. I have no money, but I can propose this. But for some reason, no one wants to. That's okay. That's okay. That's totally fine. Don't worry about it. And it's why Star Citizen hasn't really developed much over the last 2-ish years. I see. This is also the game that crashed during the display. It's the first news of that for a long, long time. I mean, I'm assuming that they're not showcasing anything from the game. Also because, like, they don't feel the need to. At this point, like, if the money keeps pouring in, they're just gonna, like, hunker down and do what they have to, right? Like, they don't feel the pressure to, like, showcase anything. I mean, the funding is so large at this point that, I mean, doesn't even matter, right? Like, they can just hunker down for a few years or something and, like, work on stuff, I suppose. I mean, a game crashing during a display is okay. Like, you know, stuff in development does tend to do that. Like, sometimes you can get it to, like, be really, really, what do you call it? Like, solid. Like, it's, like, a very solid experience and there's no bugs with it, right? But, like, I think crashing, like, it has happened before. Even Baldur's Gate 3, when it was showcased, I believe, for the first time to the public, like, it crashed, like, mid-game. And, like, yeah, that's the thing. Like, software development is like that. Yeah. I'm with the opinion that Squadron 42 doesn't really exist in any shape or form, and it's just a cloud to hide that Star Citizen 1.0 final will never happen. Oh man, that would be some rough stuff. Yikes. They put out a demo about a month ago, but no set release date. Is that for, like, Star Citizen or, like, that Squadron 42 thing? The demo, I mean. Squadron 42? Oh, so there is something, like, there is a demo. Hiya, Densit. Welcome, welcome. Software development is often software crashing until it doesn't, then you ship. Exactly, yeah. It crashes until it doesn't so much anymore. Sometimes it still crashes, just a tiny little bit. But yeah, when it stops crashing as much, then you're good to go. The demo is for Squadron 42. It's not a playable demo, to be clear. Then what is it? Is it, like, just like a benchmark showcase? What the heck is that? Sure, but not after 10 years and $750 million. I can't even conceive of that. I don't think there's a game in history that has had that much money to fund itself. I think it's unprecedented. I don't even think anyone has even got half of that money. I might be wrong. Like, nowadays, like, games budgets are like ballooning like crazy. But let me see. List of most expensive video games. And this is by Wikipedia. Okay, there is one game that trumps Star Citizen, according to Wikipedia, which is Genshin Impact. But the case for Genshin Impact is kind of different. Because, like, Genshin Impact, I'm pretty sure, like, Right, exactly. So, like, that's what I assumed. Like, it's 900 million US dollars, but it's like accounting for every year that the game is run. So, like, the initial investment, the initial development was like $100 million. So it's nowhere even close to Star Citizen. The rest of the money was like 200 million annually for like the development of the game, like, because it's a continual game, right? It's a thing that is like, it keeps on going. But yeah, like, I don't think there's any game like in history that's had this much money without showing anything for it, or like showing very little for it. Because like even Genshin Impact, which is like the one that trumps it, like it's been running for like, do I wanna look how many years Genshin has been running? Do I want to feel old? 2020. Okay. I thought it was gonna be worse, actually. Oh man. But that is wild. That is crazy. It's a glorified ad, to be honest. I mean, at this point, it kind of looks like it. I get the feeling that I don't think Star Citizen will ever live up to the hype that it gets, right? At some point, things are going to fail and things are going to break. And what happens then? That's the scary bit. Like, what happens when it comes crumbling down? I mean, not that I want them to crumble down. Like, I want them to knock it out of the park. Like, right? Like, if the game, I want the game to be as good as people envision it. But at this point, I don't see it. Hopefully I'm wrong. Hopefully, like, people get the game that they desired. Like, it's an awesome game that does, like, everything that it's cranked up to be. But, you know, after so much time of not showcasing anything for it, you kind of get a bit skeptical about it. Deploying software is just giving the software more machines to crash on. Exactly. When you look at it that way, then it's simple. Yeah, absolutely. Oh, man. It's not clear that the demo that they put out isn't just something that someone rendered on a laptop and made a video. Yeah. Monopoly? Well, yeah, Monopoly, according to Wikipedia at least. Let me just put this on dark. Good lord. Yeah, Monopoly is here, but Monopoly is below it. So you can see here, like, Genshin Impact is like $900 million, but the initial development was just 100 million. The rest of it was just like 200 per year. So it was run for 4 years. So it's like $800 million, but like for running for 4 years already. Monopoly is right here. Monopoly Go. This is crazy to me. Monopoly Go spent almost 500 million on marketing. Dang. That is insane. This is actually insane. Like most of the game's budget was probably on marketing, if not almost all of it. Because I can't see a game like Monopoly Go wasting this much in development. Not even close. This is like crazy. But anyway. Maybe GTA 6 will surpass it. Maybe. Yeah, might be. Depends. But yeah, it could happen, I guess. That's probably marketing. Yeah, most of it, the Monopoly thing was marketing for sure. Yeah, it says so right here as well. But it will make its money over and over. Yeah, that's what they're banking on, right? Like, that's the thing with most of it. Like, they're building the games so that they, sell like hotcakes. Hopefully, that's the best case scenario, right? Like, the games sell like hotcakes. So then you can use that money to fund your next projects. That's how it goes. But over here, like, Star Citizen is kind of like riding that line where they don't have anything to show for it, but they also get a ton of money. It's weird. Lawsuits? Oh yeah, probably a lot of lawsuits will happen. Never gonna happen. People that were early backers have already died of old age, and I'm guessing that CIG is well taken care of in agreements and user policies. Yeah, that's the thing. Like most of those end user license agreements, usually they cover themselves pretty well against that sort of stuff. So yeah, the lawsuit would have to be about something completely different. It would have to be like, I don't know. You don't get, like you paid for a thing and you didn't get it, something like that. Even then, like it's fuzzy because like the end user license agreements sometimes like they cover themselves pretty well with that. Yeah. They even have a 30-day refund policy. They do? I'm just checking something. It's got nothing to do with the policy. I just wanted to check something. Where is it? I love how it's called Pledge Store. It's the Pledge Store. Where is... Because they did have a counter here in their website, didn't they? Unless I'm missing it completely. Probably. Wait. Become a subscriber. What? Okay, I'm gonna show this up because like I feel like crazy if I don't show it. Oh, thank you. They do? No questions asked on those 30 days. After that, you're on your own? Okay. I mean, at least that. Oh, this was the page I remember. Yeah. We've been here before, I think. Oh my god. How is that even possible? This can't be real. I refuse to believe that this is real. It's way too crazy. What? They even like make it per hour and per day. Suddenly at 4 p.m. they made like $400, $400,000. Easy. Easy peasy. God, I wish. I saw the post on Reddit 40 minutes ago. It read 750, 108, 590. I don't know. This seems a bit weird. When the elevators start working again, you'll see the buddy rushing in. Yeah, apparently. Well, I'm assuming all these stretch goals are like knocked out of the park, correct? Holy crap, how many stretch goals are there? Oh, the last one ended at 65 million. $1 million, I guess. Wow. So yeah, 40 minutes of Star Citizens equals $100,000. God dang it. What the fudge is this? This is Star Citizen. Star Citizen funding. Making us all look bad. I feel like at this point, Star Citizen is its own form of currency. That wouldn't surprise me, actually. But I just saw something that was like insane to me. Where did it go? Where was it? Oh, here it is. Become a subscriber. Get rewards every month. What? There's a very active gray market. Well, yeah, I don't doubt it. Outside of the studio's control. I don't doubt it at all. What is this? You can subscribe to a game that isn't even out yet. What? How is that even? Oh, of course. You can do an annual plan, of course. Just, you know, just pay $200 and you got an annual plan. The only thing worth on that subscription is the PTU. PTU is the public test universe, and it has all the new features. Got it. Best value. Hiya, Dem Scout. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, best value. I love it. I love when they do this. This reminds me when I played Diablo Immortal for a little bit. I wanted to test it out and see what it was at. I loved like the store basically opened up every day and was like, what was it? Like 3,200% value or something like that. And you'd be like, what? Oh man. You even have access to an Imperator test flight. Try out every new ship and ground vehicle for a full week upon release. Any flyable or drivable vehicles added to the quarterly patch are available, from nimble snubs to hulking capital ships. Cool. Subscriber Den. I love the name of this. Subscriber Den. That sounds a little shady. Because it has less users, it was a lot better and faster. I see. So I'm assuming that whole like test flight thing was on a different server. Is that it? That had like a bunch of people and they couldn't even play the game correctly? Okay, let me turn on the lights. It's getting a little dark in here. There you go. But essentially, not only did you purchase the game, but now you pay to test the game for them. And they mask it as giving you stuff to try. Free fly is on the main servers, open to everyone. PTU is restricted. Got it, got it. I don't know. It seems wild to me that you can subscribe to a game that isn't even out yet. But that's just me, I guess. And I'm assuming that people got this, right? Like, Because you're getting stuff each month, says so right here. It's like you're getting stuff for the game, but this is so wild to me. I can't even believe that this thing exists. Like, even more than that, I'm gonna go a bit further than that. I can't believe this exists, and I can't believe people actually pay money for this. I don't think I'd ever do that. No matter how good the game was or how much hype there was around it, I don't think I'd ever like do this until I saw like the game coming out like as an actual physical thing that exists. PTU, when I got the game, was open to everyone. If you wanted to test stuff, you would just download another build of the game. Got it. Now they found a way to milk it. Yeah? Anyway, let me just refresh this. Okay. I don't know. It seems really weird that suddenly at 4 p.m. suddenly they managed to just get $400,000 more. Summer days suck. What a name. Welcome. Paid betas are a scam in my opinion. I mean, yeah. At least, yeah, I'd have to agree. I don't really know who the target audience for this is. That's the thing, like, but I'm assuming that some of these people get this, right? Like, I'm assuming the FOMO gets to some people and they just, like, dip on this anyway. Yeah, this is just wild. Anyway, I'm gonna take this off the screen. Here you go. This is not Star Citizen, but at least it's I'm just trying to build a humble game. I don't need the $750 million, but you know, I'm doing a humble game. You know, just a tiny thing. Oh man. I would be happy to test new stuff, but on my own choice, not paying an extra to have a closer experience to the game that was promised. That's the thing, like, that's okay. Like, if you want to invite people over to a test server to test the game out a little bit, that's fine. That's been happening for quite a bit. But like, the fact that you pay money to get improved access to that feels like, don't like that. That does not sit well with me. I don't know. Ashing! Welcome! Hello. Star Citizen doing its thing, and I'm just over here trying to build a mud from scratch for free. Well, yeah, like, over here, we're trying to be a little humble and, like, do a little silly game where, like, you plant trees or something, and you walk around, and silly hijinks happen, and suddenly, on the other side, there's a game out there making bajillion amounts of money. And not showing much for it. But, you know, I guess joke's on me. I'm not the one making bajillion amounts of money. I also can't really conceive subscribing to an adult content creator via OF or the sort. To each their own, I guess. OF. Oh, OF. Okay. It took me a minute to figure out what you were talking about. Yeah, I don't get that either. But at least you're getting something out of it? I guess, in a sense, maybe. Salve Varial, the subscriber pack. Access to the Roman universe for just $55 a month. I need to start doing that. Seems like it's a good strategy. I guess it's working out for them. My first game is going to be free because it will be hot garbage and knock off Super Mario Bros. My next game will be super cheap, no DLC, no subscription. Well, yeah, you know, over here, we're trying to like build, you know, smaller stuff. Maybe smaller in like various ways. But yeah, we're doing our thing. It's totally fun. Miss GameDev pretending she doesn't know what OF means. It took me a few seconds, I will admit. But, you know. Hey, Tawak, welcome. Okay, now that we've finished this Star Citizen run, let's do the whole expansion thing. That's what I wanted to do. I'm here to troll. That's okay. That's totally okay. Okay. Here's the thing. When we build buildings now, we want the settlement data to keep track of them. So what I think I'm going to do, I'm going to commit this as is, because what I'm going to do now is going to be really wacky. Yeah, I'm going to close this. I'm going to commit what I've done so far, and then we're going to continue. So give me a minute just so I can commit this real quick. Because like there's 46 files. Yeah, what I'm going to do next is going to be like very disruptive, and I'm kind of scared. It's going to like be very radical. So let me just okay, I think this is it. Yeah. Okay. I think that's it. Let's commit this. And let's get started on the whole like expanding thing. So here's what's going to happen. I am going to take, where's my A sprite? There you are. Let's open up you. Okay. So here's the deal. Here's what's going to happen. Give me a second. Let me just open up something else. It's not, okay. I think this is it. No. Okay, here we go. We can do it on this one. Let me just bring over this part over here. So the idea is we've got 16 by 16 chunks of the world, correct? So like if we go here and we do combat, we've got the 16 by 16 square area that represents that specific thing. By the way, did you draw these sprites? Not all of them. Most of this is like done. It's like a Frankenstein monster. The original sprites for this, because this is all like temporary placeholder art, most of it comes from Kenny. But for example, UI was all me. And I've adapted, like some of the sprites that you see here are like remixes or new stuff that I had to add because I didn't have like you know, the needed stuff that it was needed for like a specific thing or another. But yeah, most of it is from Kenny. Yes. It's all temporary. Eventually I want to like replace it with like my own art, but that's gonna take a little bit. Yeah. Basically, that's it. So yeah, there is a 16 by 16 square. Now, the idea that, or what I want to implement now is you can build, you're here, right? You can build wherever you want. You can go here and like plan buildings on these things. And the idea is that you can expand to every which direction that you want, basically. So for example, you can build up here. Now, building up here means, so see these statues? These statues are the limits of that specific cell where we started. So if we build something up here, that means we're occupying part of this cell. So in this case, it would mean like when the building gets complete and we leave, we should be able to see that the settlement has like expanded over to the new cell, right? That's what we're trying to do now. Oh, Grumble of Pugs. Welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for the raid. Hello, hello, everybody. Oh gosh. Thank you, Haria, for the hydrate. Hello, everybody. How did it go? How did the stream go? I hope you had a good time over on Grumble of Pugs stream. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome, everybody. I hope you're doing good today. Thank you so much for the raid. Grumble, like, what were you working on? Tell us all about it. Like, if you have some time, like, I'd love to hear about what you're working on. Hello, hello. Just building levels in polish. I see. What kind of game are you working on? I actually just came by coincidence. Just woke up. I mean, yeah. Welcome, Aria. Aria's always thirsty. You don't need to redeem. She's always thirsty. You don't need to redeem. I mean, yeah. But I do, you know, when people do hydrate, I do it, yeah. I work on this, but the Steam page is kind of old. That's okay. Is it okay if I showcase it on stream? The Steam page, I mean? I'm assuming yes. I'm a. If you want. Yes, absolutely. Let's see. Ooh, this looks very cute. What? This looks very cool. So in a sense, it's like a precision platformer of sorts. This looks cool. This is very cool, yeah. He is called Batman, you will see why. I see. Mega Bat. This looks great. It's a nightmare platformer. I mean, yeah. I can see. No, but it looks really nice. There's no release date yet. I was gonna ask about that, yeah, but it's still... Oh, but there's a demo. Cool. Good. Oh, before I forget, let me give you a shout out. Grumble of Pugs. There we go. Try for next year. That's cool. That's awesome. No, but it already looks very polished. It looks really nice. So I'm assuming there's a lot of like levels for you to go through with this. With like different obstacles and stuff like lasers and like darts and stuff. It's looking good. Yeah. Like so many stars. I don't even know that word that long. It's a beautiful game, just hard. No, yeah. Like both can coexist. It can be a cute and a hard game. But it does look very spiffy. Like the art looks pretty good. And it looks like very fluid. Like even here on the footage, it looks very fluid. It looks very nice. There's like 70-ish right now, but they're pretty short. So there will probably be close to 150 by the time it's done. 150 rooms, you mean, I see. Oh, it is fluid. No, but it looks very, very fluid to play. But it looks very good. Yeah. You can get a demo if y'all want. What I love most about the game is level selection. I don't think it's in Steam at the moment. Yeah, it's still to be announced, but it does have a demo right here. You can download it and try it. Some levels are multiple rooms, but yeah, they aren't huge. I see. Okay, yeah. Add it to wish list. I'm gonna put that here. Like usually, I don't have Steam here logged on or anything, but I'm gonna put it here so I can wishlist it after stream is over. It's So thank you so much for showcasing, and welcome everybody. I hope you had a good time over on Grumble stream. Welcome. Name's Joanna. I'm a game developer as well, and I'm trying to make a game. Yeah, we're doing this thing. Basically, it's an RPG and a base builder mixed into one. So you've got a little place that is your base, and you can build stuff on this. It's still like all of this is like work in progress. So I do apologize for like everything. It might look a little wacky, but yeah, you can build stuff like this, and then stuff happens here. Like eventually, like you get your workers to. You can see I can put workers to work here, and they'll gather wood for us like that. Well, it just got night, so yeah, they don't work during the night, unfortunately. But they're back. Okay, so they're gathering wood now. So we're getting some wood. You can see here, like, we got 53, 57. So they'll gather wood as time goes on, and that happens with a lot of resources. There's stone, there's fish, there's a bunch of stuff. And then there's the overworld. So after you're done, like, setting up your little base, making your people happy, keeping them fed, keeping them protected, and everything like that, you can also explore the world with an RPG party. So this is a party, right? Got a bit of everything. Got bows, got horses, got infantry, got swords, a bunch of stuff. And you can just walk around the world, and random stuff is going to happen as you go through these things. So basically, like, as you move around the world, random events are going to happen depending on where you're going, because you can pretty much go anywhere. It's pretty much a Wild West out here. And random events can be a lot of things. They can be, meeting people, for example, merchants along the road. You can be attacked by bandits, a bunch of that, right? So for example, and you can get into combat, which is another pillar of the game. And combat is like still very simple, but it's basically like a strategy turn-based RPG kind of deal. You have your characters, there's the enemies over there. And basically, you just, right now, you just go over to the enemies and try to whack them in the face. Because right now, like, combat is still very, very early still. But yeah, basically, you just go over to the other side and you try to whack them. And you can see, like, you can choose where to go and be a little strategic. So, like, you can protect, like, some people in the back lines while other people, like, attack from a distance. Yeah. And that's it. You can you can visit other places. Well, this is for raiding. Like, you can actually attack other places and conquer them, but you can also, like, trade with others that are friendly, which I hope I can find. Here we go. Okay, there's a friendly settlement here. So we can visit friendly settlements and actually trade with them. So you can go over here to the warehouse and sell the stuff that you produce for stuff that you need, like that. So you can get a bunch of items that you might need to use in your settlement, and then you can leave and go back to your own settlement and use those resources to, like, build new buildings, improve your citizens' lives, all that stuff. Okay, let me catch up with chat. I'm so sorry. There's a demo. It's just a little old, trying to get a new, better one for the next fest. I see. That's cool. She's making another Nightmare game. Oh yeah, absolutely. This looks very cute. Thank you so much. I follow a bunch of Nightmare games. Oh yeah. I'm working on a game that will be 1 part farm simulator, 2 parts RTS, where you sabotage other farmers. That sounds cool. Yeah. That's pretty cool. Thank you so much, Crimple. Not enough diversity on the trees. Please be inclusive of all trees. Yeah, I do need to, like, increase the tree uptake, because, like, yeah, it gets very visually noisy to have always the same tree, but we'll get to that. That's a thing for later. But yeah, I'm working on it. I have to head out. Have a good rest of your stream. Thank you so much for the raid, and thank you so much for hanging out a little bit. Have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much. I'll take good care of all the raiders you've sent forward. So thank you so much. But yeah, that's what I'm working on right now. What we're working on, I was just going to start before we got raided in, is basically, like, if you build outside of, like, this cell, because, like, this cell right here is the one that represents this cell right here in the world, right? So if you build up or down or left or right, like you'll see the settlement actually like expand to new areas of the world. That's basically what I want to do. Yeah. Did I miss something before the raid? I am so sorry if I did. Let me just go check real quick. Understandably, I just spent an hour making a single terrible animation for my villagers. No, Lysiaris, like it is crazy because like I'm gonna have to do all the animations and the art from scratch. It is very like frightening. That whole thought process is like very frightening for sure. Because like it's a lot. It's a lot of stuff. Like the game is very large. It can have like a bunch of systems. The number of animations and stuff that I will need is going to be staggering. I'm trying not to think about it too much because I might just go crazy. Right now, it'll do with placeholder art. After that, we'll see. Ads are coming soon, everybody. I'm going to take a quick break. I usually do take a quick break during ad sections, and I will come back after the ad break, and we'll continue working on this thing. Yeah, shouldn't take too long. I'm just gonna go get some water because I'm running out. It's like I'm at the very end of the bottle. But yeah, after the ad section starts, I will take a quick break and I will be back. Yeah, so don't worry about it. Also, I need hopefully I catch up with chat. I'm gonna fill it up with the last bit of water, and yeah, that's it. That's it. Like that's the last inkling of water that was in this bottle, so I need to go and get some more. I'm just waiting for the Twitch ads. I want to read messages on stream, but like I'm afraid it will get cut by ads. Well, there you go. Yeah, okay. Ads are finally over. I will come back and I'll catch up with chat after I come back. So stay right there, everybody, and I will be right back. Pew. Hey everybody. I am back. Sorry about that. Had to go get some water. I'm trying to kind of spread the load, making everything at the same time. UI animations, etc. Means you usually make one thing at a time and like 50 animations in a row. There is that, yeah. But I'm kind of ambivalent on doing that for this game specifically, because like I'm still trying to make the game actually happen. But yeah, you are quite right. Maybe I should just do like a bit by bit, but then I'd have to like explore the art side of it, and I'm not decided on it yet. So I'm trying to take it like bit by bit, but we'll see. We'll see. Eventually, I might start dabbling in art, or at least start getting like some, some art concepts at the very least. But yeah, I don't know. It's complicated. No, I'm sorry about the ads. Yeah, it started right when you said they were done. Yeah, I can totally relate. That's the thing. Like it's complicated. It depends on what you're feeling that day as well. Like sometimes you don't feel like doing art, sometimes you don't feel like doing programming. Like there's a bunch of like stuff added to it for sure. Right, unfortunately, I just remembered while I was doing the ad break, I just remembered that I'm gonna have to stop earlier today. I need to stop at like half an hour from now, something like that. So yeah, today is gonna be a shorter stream. Sorry, everybody. Go down the art rabbit hole, abandon development, become an artist, move to the woods, become the witch of the woods, peace. Oh man, wouldn't that just be like the perfect thing? I'd totally be an art witch. Of the woods, of course. It has to be of the woods. Where else would I be? I mean, yeah. Do you stream every day? I don't do weekends and Mondays. Other than that, yes, I stream from Tuesday to Friday. Yes. I see, thanks. No problem. If you want to check like my usual schedule is over below the video, you can check it out. You can check out the schedule there. But yeah, my usual thing is like Tuesdays to Fridays. But I usually like I can stick around for like an hour and a half more than so like at a normal day I would still have an hour and a half in me. But unfortunately today I can't do that. I have to like stop at like 6:10 around that time today because I got other stuff to do, unfortunately. What do you mean you're gonna stream for 5 whole ass hours again? Man, yesterday was crazy. Like I streamed for way more than I should have. Like dinner was so late, but it was cool. When stream kind of veers off, it's okay because like I always know that I don't get a lot of like opportunities to raid Irish John, right? And usually when stream veers off a little bit, that's usually when I try to like raid him because like I don't have any other opportunities for that. But yeah, I usually stream 5 hours a day. Yeah. It's like from 2 p.m. to like 7-ish p.m. To be fair, a witch of the metropolitan city would be weird. Yeah, it doesn't sound as catchy. I'm Ash, witch of the bodega. That is how I found you? You mean as in like the schedule? The Irish John? Got it, Irish John, yeah. Well, I appreciate you coming here, yeah. Rating Irish John, I see, yeah. Because I don't do it as often, because like, usually Irish John starts his stream at 8 p.m. my time, and I usually have to leave at around 7:30 p.m. So usually there's like a 30-minute gap over there. But usually when my stream goes a bit off from that, which is not very often, that's when I usually go to Irish John because like I don't rate him as much as I want to. So Whenever I get the opportunity, that's what I do. How nice to meet you, Ash. I am Antoinette, witch of the Starbucks franchise. Oh man, that is just wild. I have you in the background while I'm baking. Oh, that's so cool. Well, thank you. Thank you so much. I do appreciate it. But yeah, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to cut it short today. I still have like some 30-ish, 40-ish minutes in me. But yeah, like unfortunately, I'm gonna have to end it early today. But I'm still gonna do a few more things, so don't worry. I'm still gonna be here for a bit. Cinnamon apple chala. Sounds delicious. Yes. Listen here, you can't talk about cooking without more details. We usually have like a thing of like food talk over here. Like sometimes chat diverges into food talk and it's a black hole from which no one has ever recovered or returned. It's pronounced like challah. Oh, so a cinnamon apple challah? Is that it? Challah? Something like that? This looks very tasty. Oh, now I gotta look for it. Dang, you making me hungry at this hour. Oh yeah, that does look delicious. What is this? Let me. That does look very delicious. No matter which one, like all of them look delicious. all the variants of it look delicious. Yes, I approve of this. You bake your thing. Oh, Ikisai? Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome. It is Jewish. The CH is a ovular age. Ah, I see. I see. So cinnamon apple challah? Challah. Is that it? And if you can do it just as age sound. There you go. Okay, so it's cinnamon apple challah. Okay. Got it. I finally got it. I'm so sorry. Like I butcher people's names all the time. But yeah, challah. Something like that. Thank you so much. Oh man, reminds me of our Portuguese flat. Yeah, it kind of looks like it. Yeah. Hi, Yanis, welcome. Hello, Wizardry Tale. How's it going? Doing good. Just did a few things. So like, we got a town center, which is kind of butchered because like, this is bad. But anyway, besides that, doing good. Yeah, just got this done. Like now you can actually tell you got little statues to like see the edges of like your dominion or like your little settlement right here. What I want to do next is like if you build buildings outside of your initial dominion, like this cell, this 16 by 16, you actually, you can see the settlement like evolve around here. You can see it build towards that. Yeah. Why isn't it in the center? It is in the center. It's dead center of this. Like the statues are like the limits of the place, and then the town center is in the exact center of the thing. It might not look like it because like the perspective is a little bit off, but yeah. The thing is like there's this overlapping. Like if you build stuff on top of it, it gets a little funky. If you do stuff like this, yeah, you see it gets like cut off. I need to fix that. But everything at its time, yeah. All jokes aside, that's great. Oh, thank you. I'm also trying to rework my green bean casserole without dairy or gluten. Ah, I see. That's cool. That's a lofty goal. Yes, I do approve. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to do a lot in terms of this, but we're gonna try. We're gonna at least start. So let's go over to here. Settlement data has what is it? It's got a world position, I think. It's right here, world position. But the problem is, this isn't the world position anymore. So what I mean by that is like, the world position is usually the starting point, but we can now expand to every direction of this. So we need to like take that into account. So what I'm going to do is something along the lines of, we'll need, I believe like we can do this for all locations. I think we can do that. Yeah, we'll just do an I enumerable, I guess. I guess we could just do an I enumerable. Yeah. A vector 3i. What would we call this? Because like the thing is, let me get Milton here so I can explain a little bit what I'm doing. Where is it? Here we go. Okay, there we are. Why does it always do that? Oh, this is what I was doing yesterday. Anyway, you can see here, right? This is like the world position of the settlement. So this is like our settlement right here. If you start building towards a side, I want the settlement to start like expanding to certain positions. So imagine this is 1, 1, right? If I build over, this is going to be 1, 2, 2, 2, and finally this is 2, 1, right? So I want to keep these as separate things. This is going to be our center, basically like the starting position for the thing. But I want to keep a list of every position that it occupies besides that. Maybe that's not needed. I have thought about that. Maybe I could just do a list of like every position that it occupies and not like single out the central position. But we'll see. Like eventually if that happens, I can, I can just do that. I can just like move this position over to the whole collection. That shouldn't like change a bunch. So an offset list. Exactly. It's an offset list, 100%. Yeah. World position plus offset position. Exactly that. Yes. So this would kind of be world position offsets. And this needs a get. Now, over here, we'll need to do that. Let's do a private list of vector 3i, which is going to be world position offsets. And like in the end, I might just do a thing where like it's just world positions. That's it. That's all. Like we don't have offsets, we don't have anything, which is just world positions, and that's all. But for now we're gonna do with offsets, and then we'll see. Okay. Our world position offsets are going to start empty, so we don't start with anything. But we do need to like do this. It's like our world position offsets is just going to return our world position offsets. There we go. Yeah, that's it. So now what we need to do is, also, give me a second. Right. When we add to this world position offset, I want to trigger like an event so that we can change the map to it. So we're going to do that right now. Public delegate. That would be, what are we going to call this? World. What are we going to call this? Like space? Okay, I'm going to do this, but I want to rename this later. But yeah, world positions changed. Yeah, So this is gonna take the I location, and then we'll need like a vector3i, world position, which is why I'm thinking like maybe I don't need a world position per se. Maybe I just give it like maybe I just put everything in the same place. I think that's the best way to do it. Like okay, but we're gonna keep it like this, and then I'll change it in a bit because like it's not gonna be that difficult to change if I need to. Yeah. The Paranoid, welcome. Hello. I hope you're doing good. I'm happy to say that after 3 years of catching hard-coded strings in my project, I finally ended all of the related tasks regarding translations. Yeah, good job, nice. Deployed and everything. Unfortunately, I'll have to do the dishes. Yeah. Years, no days. Where did I read years? Yeah, 3 days. Where did I read years? What? Oh man. Okay, like my mind is just going places. Yes, days. Yes, after 3 days of catching hard-coded strings. Yes, like, did I really say that? Like, I'm totally off. Yeah. Migrate all your code into one file. Oh man, no. If that was for me, yeah, no. That would be insane. I already have a few files here that have more than one class, and I need to break them apart because like they're like triggering me a little bit. Doing great. How about you? That's awesome. I'm glad to hear that. Yeah, I'm doing good too. Just doing the thing. Just keep on doing the thing. Congrats. Yeah, congrats. No, congrats deserved. I was just stupid not to do that from the beginning. Well, but now you've learned that lesson. Eventually, going forward, you'll apply what you've learned and do it differently. Yeah. It's not it's not stupid. It's just like, a person lives and learns, I suppose. Thank you for that hydrate, Yadis. Cheers. I was gonna do it anyway, but since you asked. Do it. It'll have thousands of lines and errors. Oh man. I'm making all player visible text go through a translation system, which for now just does a hard-coded conversion like core, razor, slab, grass. Ah, I see. Got it. I have a bunch of systems for like localization and translation of strings and stuff. I don't know which one I like the most yet. I'm using a different one where I'm actually using code files to actually get my translations. I believe I've opened them today on stream. It's this, like, I get the strings for translation by doing stuff like this. Like, I got a file with methods that just return like the string that I want to use. There's a bunch of ways to do this. I'm doing it this way. I don't know if it's gonna stay that way, but at least like I got everything routed here. Like if I ever need anything else, I just move this over to another file, and that'll be that. Offsets. Okay. Maybe I shouldn't. I think I'm just gonna do this world positions from the get-go, to be honest. I think that's it. Like, it makes no sense. No, but wait a minute. Hold on. Because that's the thing. Yeah. I think I'm going to need this world position specifically. Because every building that I build uses this world position as it's kind of like its center or like its origin of sorts. Can I do it differently? Because that's the thing. Here's what's gonna happen. Like, imagine I've got this, right? And I got, this is like, imagine this plate is this. It's like, it would be this, right? So I got a few buildings out here. Any number of them. If suddenly this stops existing, because like when I build on this plate, for example, so like this plate would be here, and I start building over here, suddenly if these were all going away, I'd have to change the positions of everything. Like all of this, it would need to like change based on the new origin, which is probably going to be this or something. I don't know yet. I don't know how I'm gonna tackle that. We're gonna keep it like this for now, but we'll see. We'll see how that goes. Yeah, we're gonna keep the offsets, and the initial world position is gonna give me like the starting place where everything is, but this might change basically. Let's add the thing here. So event. Oops, did I press caps lock by mistake? I probably did. World positions changed. Yeah, this will probably need to like, also this is an event handler. I don't know why I didn't do that, but yeah. There we go. Yeah, we need to, there we go. Yeah, world positions changed. I'm not gonna use it just yet, but I do want to keep it here. So let's put that here. Okay. We'll get to you in a bit. So now what we need to do is when we're placing a building that doesn't like conform to the first bit, we want to expand it, give it a new position basically, or give it like new offsets. That's pretty much it. So try to get building by visual, that's fine. Okay, that building can be placed at location. That's going to change a bit, but that's fine. Okay, building place, here we go. We're gonna add the building at a certain position. Now, we need to check what this position is exactly. Right. So, we need to check the position. How far off it is. Right. So, position X. This should be like divided by 16. If this is greater than 0, then that means we've got a new offset. Same thing with this. So if offset X is different from 0, so that means it wasn't placed on that. Actually, no, hold on. It needs to be the floor of this, I think. I think that's it, right? Like, math utilities. Oops. Floor. It needs to be floor to int of position X divided by 16F. Yeah, we're gonna do that. I mean, technically, I wouldn't need to do something like this, but yeah. So Kalos, welcome, welcome. How are you doing? How is everything? I hope everything's good. hope everything is good. Okay, if any of these are different from 0, as good as can be expected. Good, good, glad to hear that. Right, this is an integer. All of these are integers, right? What the heck are you doing? Okay, now. Yes, okay, that's what I wanted. I'm gonna put this here. Now, this means calm down, calm down. Okay, let's just see if this math is correct. I believe it is, but you never know with these things. Got the next couple of days off for Thanksgiving. Ah, I see. Wait. Oh, because like, yeah, camp needs to do this as well, I think. Yeah, camp needs to do this too. Yeah. Like camp, I don't see it ever, I don't see it ever getting anything. What? How was it? I need to get this. Okay, yeast is blue bay. Other ingredients are prepped. Next step is to waiting for 10 minutes. I see. Good. We're getting like live cooking feedback. This is awesome. How's the game coming along? Doing good. Yeah, game is coming along quite well. There's a bunch of new stuff that I'm working on. I can actually show you a little bit once I get this rolling. Give me a second. I always forget how to do this. MT. I've done this like a bunch of. Okay. Yeah, okay. I think this is it. Enumerable. MT. Vector 3i. There we go. I think that's it, right? Because like I don't think camp will ever have offset positions. I don't think that's ever gonna happen. Oh, this is a thing. Okay. Can you? Is this, because I've used this somewhere, unless I don't use it anymore. Okay, got it. All right. No, what are you doing? Stop. It's like battling me for what I want to do. Okay, would you chill a little bit? Okay. We don't need that right now, so that's fine. We're not gonna see it visually anyway, so it should be fine. I think that's it though, isn't it? Like most of it. Wait, where did you put faction changed? World position changed. Why are you all the way down here? Why are you not all together? What? Okay. What the heck? Anyway. Is there a Discord? I can post the recipe. Well, yeah, feel free. Thank you for that fire. Thank you. Okay, I'm just gonna see if this works. Hopefully it does. And after that, I'm probably gonna need to leave because I have to end early today. Sorry, everybody. But I do want to check if like I'm actually on the right track with this. So let's try and build this thing off of the usual grid. 0, 1. Okay, so it is pointing that correctly. All I need to do now is like add this to the thing, to like the areas here. So world position offsets, add new vector 3i, offset x, offset y, 0. Yeah. And in this case, we're gonna call our world positions changed, invoke this world position offsets. I think that's it. Yeah, let's see. I mean, it's not gonna do anything right now. There's still like a bunch of like stuff I need to take care of, but yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna build a bunch of stuff here. So let's do a statue here, for example. Oh, wait a minute. No, I wanna see. Let's see. What if I build here? 0, 1. 1, 1, correct. 1, 0. Yes. Can't build. Oh, I can't build here. I guess it won't let me build into the negatives. It won't let me build into the negatives. No. I need to fix that. Okay. Can't build into the negatives. But yeah, at least that is working correctly. There, we got our 3 statues up in here. So technically, when this happens, I'm sending that signal saying that like the settlement has expanded, and hopefully with that, I can get like this to work. Like I can get like a big settlement right here that occupies like that whole section, basically. But unfortunately, that's gonna have to be for another day because I really need to go. I am so sorry. Gonna have to be in places in like an hour-ish. So yeah, need to bail earlier today. But it wasn't all that bad. We managed to do a few things. At least now it kind of looks like something, you know? But it's okay. All right, let me just find a cool person to raid. Recipe is posted. Awesome, awesome. I will take a look as soon as I can. Unfortunately, it's not going to be right now because I really need to go. But I will check it later. Thank you so much for sharing. Okay, let's see who we're raiding today. Ooh, yes, okay. We are going to raid the one and only I Heart Funny Boys, because she's making cool stuff in Godot as well. Yeah. Alrighty, let me just put this up here. There we go. At least it looks a little bit better at the end. Ta-da. Okay, let's do it like this, because like we get no, not the combat. I want to visit. There we go. Statues everywhere. It's beautiful. All right, let me get this raid going so we can actually start getting ready for the raid. Yeah. Okay. Funny boys, all good. Raid Unity? Wait, is Unity actually doing anything? Oh man, that would be so funny. They are! Anyway, I don't want to talk about it. Okay. Take care, chat. Jay. See you tomorrow. Okay. All right, everybody. We're going to read out Her Funny Boys. I'm really sorry I have to go close today. Or like shorter today. But yeah, today is just going to be chaotic, unfortunately. But despite that, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for being here and for chatting and for everything, you know. And thank you so much, Grumble, for the raid. I do appreciate it. And yeah, I mean, unfortunately, we didn't manage to do a lot today. So tomorrow I'm going to continue on doing this, and like, I'm going to like maybe do a few sprites so that I can expand settlements as much as I want with like tiny little huts and stuff. That's going to be fun. So you can actually like see the world expanding a little bit. That's going to be fun. But yeah, I guess we can, I don't know if I'm going to be able to finish tomorrow. But at least I should get close. I feel like I think in 5 hours I can like get this at least to like a visible state, I think. Possibly, maybe. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, besides that, thank you. Thank you so much for being here today, everybody, whether you're looking or chatting or doing anything in between. Thank you. Thank you so much. Also, thank you, Q8 Geek, for like the 1,000 bits. That was really generous. Hi, Dicey. Welcome. Unfortunately, we're leaving. It's raid time. We're going to raid. Hi, our funny boys. Let's go.